Good morning. Today is Wednesday. That for me is like a Friday because after today I have my days off and it feels so good. I didn't film so much yesterday. I'm sorry. I really didn't want to. I didn't have a lot to do, and at the same time I didn't want to do a lot. I wanted to just have an easy day. We have so much heat. It went to the 94, so I didn't have plans to get out of the house and just relax, enjoy, play computer games, watch some videos and movies, have a good dinner with my husband, and that was all. So today we will do it better. And I don't know if they close the street. It say that they were closing yesterday, but it was open when I came back, so we will be now seeing in few. Well, I guess no closing the streets or nothing. Not repaired. Maybe they made a mistake and they put it in the wrong place, or maybe they were really fast and they fixed everything in one day. I don't know, but the sign is gone. I don't have to worry about that. Perfect. I'm glad that the last day of work I don't have to be looking how to arrive home or how to go back, how to go to work and how to arrive home. Done with work, and now I only want to go and see what they have in the garden area. They got new flowers and some of them are on sale too. I also noticed that they got one more display of tulips. I don't know if they have the ones that I'm looking for, but let's see. Well, that was a nice walk in the garden area. The flowers are so beautiful. Sadly, they will be changing. Now is when trees and everything are changing colors. In few days, we have more change coming in the colors. Oh, it would be so sweet. We are watching. In few, Donald Trump will be having like a dinner or something in England. Sorry, the reflection. Oh my gosh, it's because the glare of the window. So we're waiting that. We want to see what is going on.
What you expect, the king, the president of the United States, first lady and the queen. I'm looking down on the list right now. Kind of interesting here. Apple CEO Tim Cook and Miss Tiffany Trump have been placed together here. And they
And Melania, the pink belt right there, very elegant. Oh, Katie, look, you and Melania are actually matching with your bright yellow colors. Princess Kate.
On any given day, I analyze the manometer levels for air displacement, friction, and velocity, and compute over 10,000 calculations by cosine, square root, and lately analytic geometry.